Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to connect Broker to TradingView mobile. First of all, open the TradingView app on your device, then log in your account. After that, go to the chart section. To connect your broker on TradingView, start by tapping the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tab Trade with your broker. You'll then see a list of brokers supported by TradingView. Choose the broker for which you already have an account, or if this is your first time, select one with the highest rating. For this example, we'll choose Active Trades. The app will then prompt you to connect your account. If you're creating a new account, select Open Account. If you already have an account, tap Connect. A new tab will open, allowing you to sign in. Enter your username or email and password, then click the green Sign In button to link your account. Once your credentials are verified, you'll be redirected back to the TradingView app, and your broker will be successfully connected. You can now make live trades or demo trades with this broker directly within TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.